Welcome to our next class, students. Let's start with the chapter representing 3D in 2D. 3D stands for three-dimensional figure and 2D stands for two-dimensional figures. Clear? So, first of all, we will deal with the terms related to it: faces, edges and vertices. Children, edges, a line segment where the adjacent faces of the solid intersect are called edges. Clear? Are called faces. The edges is a line segment where the adjacent faces of the solid intersect. See, this is a solid only. This is what? Face. What it is? Face. This is a face. Even this is also the face of the register. Clear? And where two faces, you can see here. See here, this is the face and this is also the face. Where the two faces intersect, this is called edge. What it is called? Edge of the cuboid. Next is face, a plane surface enclosed by an edge, or the edges is called face. So this is what? A face only. Then vertex are the point where three edges meet, is called vertex, where the three edges are meeting. So you can take the help of this corner. See this vertex, how many edges are meeting here? This edge and this edge. So three edges are meeting at this point. This is called vertex. Vertex is also called corner of the solid. Next is face diagonal. The diagonal, you know that diagonal is the line joining the opposite vertex, is called diagonal. The face diagonal of the cube or cuboid is the line segment that joins the opposite vertices of the face. So you can see here the line joining this corner with the opposite corner is called face diagonal of the plane. Clear? Next is, children, space diagonal. This you deal with in case of 3D figures. Cube is a 3D figure. You can see here the line joining the opposite vertex from inside. Clear? This is what? Space diagonal. This vertex with this vertex. So these are what? Space diagonal from inside, from here up till here. The space diagonal of a cube or cuboid is the line segment that joins the opposite vertex of the cube or cuboid passing through its interior. Clear? Passing through its interior, not on the face, in the interior. So children, this is a cubical figure they have shown here. So cubes you relate with many figures you know which are cubical in shape, like the Ludo you are playing. Dice is cube in shape. Sugar cube, ice cube, all these are cubical shapes. So children, this is net of the cube. If you draw this on a paper and cut it, when you will fold it, clear, you will get a cubical shape figure. So these both are the nets of the cube. One identification, four cubes, identical cubes are there, one this side and one this side. This is the identification. For the cube there are so many nets, but you keep in mind that four identical cubes, one this side and one this side, will make a cube. So these are the net. Here also you can see one cube is this side, one cube is this side. Next is parts of the cube. How many faces a cube is having? How many faces? 6 faces it is having. Clear? 6 faces are there. See, 1, upper, lower, from side 4 are there. So 4 plus 2 is 6 faces it is having. Edges, 12 edges. Clear? So count the number of edges. 4 from up, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 from down. Clear? 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Vertices, how many vertex are there? There are 8 vertex. Corners. Face diagonals, there are 2 diagonals on each face. See, upper one also 2 diagonals are there, and total 6 faces are there. 6 2s are 12 diagonal. Face diagonals are there. And space diagonals are 4 inside, 4 vertices are there. Clear? So 4 space diagonals are there. Same way in cuboid also. See children, in cuboid, figure is exactly same like cube only, but what is the difference? In cuboid, length, width and height are same. Faces, diagonals, vertex, space diagonal, everything will be same, but only the length and width will be different. So this is the net of cuboid. 1, 2, 3, 4 you can see here, identical. Length is different, width is different. So this is the net of a cuboid. Clear? I told you these parts will exactly same like cube. Now the next figure is cylindrical figure. All of you are familiar with the cylindrical figure. So children, you can see that this is a cylindrical shaped figure. Clear? It's a cylindrical shaped figure. This side is also circular. This side is also circular. Clear? You can see here. This is which shape? It's circular shape. This side also, it is what? Circle and one curved surface. Clear? This is what? Curved surface. This I made with the help of a paper which was rectangular and I fold it. Clear? Two circles and one rectangular shape will make the net of a cylinder. So look here children. Look here. This is the net of cylinder. Okay. A rectangular shape and two circles will make net of cylinder. Now faces. How many faces? It has three faces. One from top circular, one from down circular and one this curved portion. Clear? How many edges are there? A cylinder has two edges only. One and two edges. And vertex. There is no vertex as there is no corner in the cylinder. So no vertex is there. Now cone. You all are familiar because you people are eating softie and enjoying ice cream. Clear? That is conical in shape. So you can see here this curved portion surface with one circle. Clear? So what is the net of a cone? Net of a cone is what? A conical shape along with the circular shape. So how many faces? A cone has two faces. One is circle, clear, base, and one this curved portion. Edge. A cone has one edge which is formed by the circular plane surface meeting with the curved surface. Clear? So only one edge is there. This edge. Vertex. A cone has only one vertex. This is the vertex. Clear? And sphere. Next is sphere. You have seen sphere. You can take the example of a football. Football is a very good example of sphere. A sphere is a geometrical figure that is perfectly round, 3D figure and circular like ball. Geometrically, a sphere is defined as the set of all the points. Children, you know that circle also set of points which are equidistant from a fixed point. But in case of sphere, see, it's a hollow surface. So inside there will be a center. So each part on the surface of the sphere will be equidistant from the center of the sphere. Fine. Now, first question, let's discuss. Okay, sorry. In the sphere there is a curved. So it is whole round figure, one curved surface, no edge and no vertex. So all these are very important. You have to take care of this. You have to learn carefully. Then exercise 16.1, identify the solids whose nets are given below. Look here children, this is the net which is given to you and you have to write whose net is this. Clear? So this is the net and you have to write here actual figure. So beta, one rectangular shape and two circles will make a cylinder. Now only we have discussed, it will be like this. Clear? This is the actual figure. Clear? One cone and one circular base, we know that it is a cone. That softie you have seen, it is like this. Now the next figure, you know that length is different, width is different. It is the cuboid. What it is? It is a cuboidal figure. Make it, length will be different and width will be different. Okay. Now, as I already discussed with you, 4 identical boxes, one this side and one this side will make a cube. Okay, this is a cube. Clear? It's a cubical figure. Any doubt? Okay, so this is a cubical figure. So please mention the name here. This is what? Cylinder, cone, cuboid and cube. Okay students, next question is draw the net of die and mark the number on each face. Draw the net of die. You know that die of the Ludo is cubical shaped figure. Clear? It is a cubical shaped figure. So I have drawn the net of cube. I already discussed with you, one box this side, one box this side. So you can draw the dice. This is the net of a dice. So let's start children. I will start with the number 1. I'll place the die here. Clear? What it is? I will place the number 1. Look children. 1. If we start with 1, Then what is the next number? 4. Then the next is what? 6. And the next is what? 3. Children, you can start with 3 over here. 3, then 1, then 4, and then 6. Clear? So you should know that these numbers are in this series, and top and bottom will be 2 and 5. Clear? Will be 2 and 5. So this is what it is, representation of the number of a die. Children, next question is, if this is if the net shown here is folded to make a cube, if we fold this net to make a cube, which edge will mate JK? Clear? For your better understanding, children, I made the same kind of figure. Clear? Same cuttings I made and same markings are done. Look here, A, B, then N, C here. So same way you have to mark it. Now let's fold it, children. Let's make the cube of this. Fold this figure this way, then this way, then this side and this side will form a cube. What it is? It is a cube. Okay, this is a cubical figure. Now question is, which edge will meet JK? So find out JK, children. JK is here. This is what? J, and this is what? K. Which edge is meeting with JK? AB is meeting with JK. Clear? Which edge is meeting with JK? AB. Next is, which edge will meet LM? So let's find out LM. See, children, where is LM? See, beta, this is L and M. Which edge is meeting? LK. Clear? Which edge is meeting with LM? It is LK. So practically we have done this question. So which edge is meeting with which one? Children, the following figure shows the net of the die. Just now only I discussed with you. Write down the number on the faces marked with X, Y, Z. I told you 2 and 5 will be top or bottom, anywhere you can take. Here 5 is taken as the top, so X will be 2. And here in the series we already discussed 1, 3, 6 and 4. So already I have shown you 1, 3, 6 and 4. Look here. 1, then followed by 3, then 6, and then the next is what? 4. So 1, 3, 6 and 4 will be here. So this way you have to complete it. Next is, identify the nets which can be used to make a cube. So children, which you don't know about the net, that we'll do later on. But this I told you, if identical boxes, one box this side, one box this side will be a cube. Yes. Here also one this side will be a cube. Here also one this side and this side will make a cube. And now let us practice these 3 figures now. Beta, 5th question, first part you can see exactly same net I made. Clear? Now let's fold it and make the cube. Fold it along the edges. See, 4-sided, and then cover it. But you can see that one side will remain uncovered because it will overlap this side. One side will remain uncovered. It means this is not the net of a cube. So cancel it. Fine. Same way, this is 4th part. Clear? Same net I have made. Let's try it now. Let's fold the figure. See, children, fold it, and you will see that it will form a cube. Clear? Full cube will be formed over here. Understood or not? So this is also the net of the cube. So this way, children, you can try rest of the questions. With this, I'll end up my class. We'll continue in the next video. Thank you.